import and organize your assets. You're now ready to bring your content into Premiere Pro. You can ingest, you can go into your browser, or you can drag your clips. I usually drag my clips, it's much faster. You want to clean up your folders on your browser. So you want to make sure you have your bin set up. So I usually have a bin for graphics and animations, pictures, clips and drafts, and music and my assets. I have some of my assets in the library, and some of my assets I just drag them and make sure I put them all in one place. This is part of my 10-step video editing workflow in Premiere Pro from start to finish. There will be more videos coming with more in detail on all the different aspects of Premiere Pro. This program is really powerful and really intricate, and there is a lot to be learned. So make sure you come back to this channel to learn how to use Premiere Pro very well. Have a beautiful day. I will see you around.